Ducati Monster Senna 2024 review, legendary successor with a modern touch. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This time we're going to review the Ducati Monster Senna 2024. Ready to see the successor to the legendary Ducati Monster 900? Let's get started right away. Before we get into the details, let's take a look at the highlights of this Ducati Monster Senna 2024. Aggressive and modern design, powerful engine, advanced tech features, and comfortable ride. It's all here. Intrigued? Let's dive in. The Ducati Monster 900 has been a legend since it first appeared in 1993. Now, the 2024 Monster Senna comes with a more aggressive and modern design. Check out the sharp lines and bold angles. It still uses the iconic trellis frame, but with a futuristic twist. Very cool, right? Plus, the new LED headlight makes it look even more futuristic and improves visibility at night. Advanced technology is the mainstay of the Monster Senna 2024. There's also the Ducati Quick Shift DQS feature that makes shifting up and down gears smoother and faster. The upside-down front and adjustable rear suspensions add comfort on various terrains. Speaking of looks, the performance of the Ducati Monster Senna 2024 is no less remarkable. Its 937cc Testastretta 11 engine can deliver 111 HP and 93 Nm of torque. The acceleration is crazy, very responsive. With that much power, the Monster Senna 2024 can reach an impressive top speed and accelerate from 0-100 km/h in a matter of seconds. The riding position is ergonomic, making long trips comfortable and fun. The seat has also been redesigned to make it more comfortable for long journeys. The Monster Senna 2024 is not just a motorcycle, but also a symbol of status and investment. Produced in limited numbers, each unit is a work of art that honors the legacy of Ayrton Senna and the exclusivity of Ducati. Ducati collectors and fans will definitely covet this bike. The special design and exclusive details on this Senna edition make this bike even more special. For those of you who are curious, the Ducati Monster Senna 2024 is priced at around $17. It's not cheap, but with all the advanced features, great performance, and exclusivity, it's worth it. For motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors, this is an investment worth considering. New Ducati Monster Senna 2025, Hyperion. And wait, there's more to come. The news is that Ducati isn't stopping here. In 2025, there will be a new successor, the Ducati Monster Senna 2025. Rumor has it, there will be even crazier performance upgrades, more advanced technology, and a more futuristic design. Ducati is always innovating, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us. So, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe for the latest updates. See you in the next review.